That's a little bit. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Come on, man, bring it in.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Good to link you again, bro. This is sick.
Second time, we're still mashing me up, bro. We're unstoppable.
Oh, fucking hell. Yeah? Yeah, man, I'm great.
Right there, I'm gonna shoot some city. Because I can't fucking shoot people right now, man. It's fucking me off.
The Gherkin is a beautiful building. I think it might be my favourite building in London.
Hey, 22, man.
Oh yeah, gotta be the ugliest in the city.
Oh, you cunt. You bastard. Like, you fucking tripod wobbling, you bastard.
Bro, you got that tripod close to the edge, bro.
Gee, the worst thing is this ain't my camera, bro. So much better shots without a tripod, man. I could literally like look over you.
Bro, I honestly...
Look down, you see them cones in the road, we thought that was Second looking up. I fully got on the roof here, you go to the corner and we were like, yo, Second's looking up, man. If Second come on, I don't think he can get on the roof anyway.
You ain't got the agility.
Bro, Second...
Bro, this roof's so good, I honestly...
Mate, it's
I wanna fucking almost wait for sunrise.
Mate, the thing is, we could stay here.
I've got a spliff, like, I can chill. It's clear, innit? I think it's gonna be a good sunrise.
It is, man. I think it could be a mad one. That's why I partly do want to be in Canary for it, though.
Yeah, no, I'm down for whatever.
Clear Canary sunrise, just, it's hard to top.
I like that bit of the cheese grater where it's got all the triangles.
It's insane.
That is pretty cool.
It's iconic as fuck.
I should start taking pictures, not just video everything. Gherkin looks skinny from this angle.
Right, now we're getting sketchy with this tripod. I don't know why I trust this, but we're fucking sending it, do you know what I mean?
Bro, the steam coming out the top of the scaffold.
It's retarded. It is insane. Why is this roof so sick?
It's so sick! Every angle, I'm like, fucking hell.
Honestly, said you could be up here 8 hours shooting.
Yeah, man. Fucking sick, man.
designed this?
It is actually hot in here, you're right. Should we catch this bus?
Don't know if we can get that one. That's handy.
Respect, boys.
That was a beast, that.
Fuck yeah.
Thank you. I hate this kind of shit, man. It just... Mate, I might have to call it a day, man.
Really?
I don't like it, bro.
Okay.
I hate being that guy.
That's alright, man.
It just, I don't know why these little things, they just fuck my head.
Yeah, because I know you got this, man. I know you can do this.
It's just a wobble and everything, it just, oh. Fuck, man. I just need to get that thing out of my head, man.
Yeah, it's a mental challenge.
It's just this, it's all I've got to get around and I'm fine. I don't know why I get these head things in my head, man. Fuck, it gets to my head.
Maybe take 10 seconds to just not talk and just breathe. That's it, man. Everyone's got their thing, man.
Push me there, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. It's like, to some people it's just a little thing, but it means a lot, bro. And if start shouting, fucking.
Nah, he's silent, bro. He's sleeping right now. It can get overwhelming. You got not to think about the whole big picture.
Breathe, just breathe.
Just breathe, man. Just breathe. Well done, boys. Now we've got about 30 ladders to climb. Woo! Let's go! Fuck yeah, bro. Plant power!
Holy fuck, man.
It's heavy, bruv.
Fuck. Wait. Don't piss me off. I think someone's on fucking console. There's people on console playing.
Nah.
They're on the jib, can you see them?
Yeah, what? Oh, bro, get the zoom lens out.
Who's on console play? Danny can let you.
Get the zoom lens out. There's someone on it. There's two people on it.
People, someone's at the end of the jib. Show yourselves.
Bro, someone's hanging off the fucking end.
It looks like they're doing this off here.
They were. They literally were. Look, I'm not even joking.
Look at that, man.
Yeah. He's got his leg dangling.
Oh my god, that's sunrise. Holy shit, bro.
Oh! There's people up there. Oh shit. Oh, mate.
Sunrise is mad.
Oh shit, my battery's on 1%. Bad times. Same, I've got a big mark on mine. Woo! Mate, the look down is fucking sick.
looks effort on.
That does look like a bit of effort.
This is the most awkwardest room. In man, it's actually not bad, but it just looks stupid. Right, lad. There you go. It's so shit at it.
Yeah. That looks sick. Tower Bridge in the city,
Oh
like.
mate, they would gas you with their boys. They were just like, mate, this is fun.
Yeah.
Tower of London is just so sick.
Yeah, it is.
I want to get some unique shots from this roof, but I don't know how to do it.
Have you taken a picture from here with someone over there?
Haven't you? I ain't got the canary look.
Yeah.
The canary view.
Yeah, man. That would look pretty sick.
It's actually better than that view because that one is hard.
It's further away. That's nearer.
What is this fucking lens? It's like a fucking sniper rifle. Bro, always gave me the mad thing. That goes to 130, 210.
Yeah. 55 to 210.
This lens is crazy, bro. Fucking hell. Yo, it's like, with the stock lens, yeah, I never really used it. I just sold it to my mate for like 50 quid. And then he'd let me borrow his camera, and I was like, I don't need a stock lens. Fuck me, this is actually sick. But that is fuck all compared to this. This is fucking, this is wild. Makes me feel funny, man. Mate, this is really good, man. Like, you know what? Although these cameras ain't full frame, like, you can still get a bang with this lens. This is fucking sick. I've never had to go on something like this.
Zoom shots is actually, that's where the crop sensor shines, you know?
It's fun. And bro, like, I'm zooming in on the quality of the Gherkin and it's banging.
I know.
It's
I was taking some of the Gherkin a second ago. It's really nice, man.
sometimes it's a lot of
Don't weaken it. Oof, yeah, that's the hard bit.